Hi, I'm Brian Gill with Providian Medical, and today we're taking a look at the Voluson E8 Expert ultrasound machine. This is the latest and greatest in the Voluson ultrasound system series. Now, the Voluson ultrasound's been among my favorite machines since I first used one in the year 2000. Now, it's not just that the Volusons have always had the best 4D imaging that make them great, it's also the ergonomics and the user interface design. It really was one of the first of its kind, and over time became essentially the industry standard that everyone copied. Now, GE obviously knows they got something right because everybody copied it, and basically this interface is a tweaked, upgraded version of that first Voluson 730 ultrasound machine. Now, the E8 is the successor to the Voluson 730, and it is excellent. Besides the great image quality, it also has great penetration, and its speckle reduction imaging provides excellent, really clear images. With that image quality, you can acquire better 4D images that are more like life, and more importantly, provides better image quality, and it's easier to acquire 4D images on difficult to image patients. The unit I'm using is the latest and greatest, and it features the HD Live feature. HD Live provides an entirely new view to 4D imaging, and it's pretty special. In fact, on the first look, it gave me that same feeling as when I first saw 4D. It's really cool and so lifelike that it makes you jump back a little bit, and what people normally say is it's kind of creepy, but not in a bad way. It's so fascinating because the image is so lifelike that you can't help but to stand back a little bit. So what it does is it provides you a virtual light source, almost like you are taking a flashlight. And in fact, the thing that it does that it shows you is almost like you're putting a flashlight, and this adds shadows and depth to the image, which gives it a very, very lifelike image. Your standard 4D is almost like there's a light right in front like this, and now you can scroll it around and get shadows on the face, and it also works in other types of 4D imaging. So it gives you this very, very lifelike thing that basically last time you saw it was in biology class when you saw those like PBS type shows. Now, also it adds in the 4D is volume speckle reduction, which allows you to do the speckle reduction in 4D mode, which improves the image quality a great deal. Other features include Sono AVC follicle, which automatically calculates the number and the volume of follicles. And another great feature is the upgrade to SonoView. The previous software was really frustrating to use, and now the image review feature is so much easier to export images and to review images and to send them out that it's not nearly as frustrating, much more intuitive. Now, it also has some cool functions for the ergonomics, such as you can push button and move it around like this, and it immediately locks into place. You can also automatically, electronically, take this keyboard and go up and down. So it's got some pretty cool features like that, and allowing you to move the thing forward and backward. And you lock it in place, and it's easy to go. So I love the Voluson E8. I've always loved the Voluson series. It's a fantastic system, and this one is just, it keeps improving on that Voluson. If you've ever used one, you've seen the 4D, you know it's the best in class, and it's always been the best in class, and they haven't let anyone really catch up. They keep coming up with new innovative features to make it cooler. The image quality keeps getting better, and it really has always been one of my favorite ultrasound machines. And if you have the means, I highly recommend the Voluson E8 ultrasound machine. I'm Brian Gill with Providian Medical, and that's what you need to know about the Voluson E8 4D Women's Health ultrasound machine. Thanks for watching.